No, it is not a Hollywood movie. NASA really getting ready to deal with incoming asteroids on Earth.
Yeah, it really sounds like sci-fi, doesn't it?
It does.
This is
scary.
cool. Later this evening, NASA is going to launch the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART. First of its kind. DART's going to test the idea of deflecting an asteroid by colliding with the small moonlet in a double asteroid system, and I don't even know what that means.
Well, the good thing is we're getting ready to get a lot of answers for you. So here to tell us more about this mission is NASA expert Tom Wagner. NASA, this does sound like a strange language to a lot of us here. What can you tell us about the DART mission and planetary defense?
You know, typically when we're telling you about a new mission, we're going out to explore. And in this case, we're actually going out to crash into this asteroid. But basically, we're trying to test a way such that if an asteroid was ever coming to the Earth that we thought could really damage things, we could find a way to deflect it and move it away. And the DART mission is a rocket that's going to launch a vending machine-sized spacecraft to crash into an asteroid and literally change its motion through space.
So it's not going to blow it up. It's not like we're sending a bomb out there to get it. It's to redirect something if it would happen. What's the likelihood of that? I mean, for real.
Right now, there are no threats that we're tracking, but there are asteroids hitting the Earth all the time, right? There was the one that exploded over Russia in 2013. And when an asteroid is about 50 feet across, let's say, chances are it's mostly going to burn up in our atmosphere. But when you get up to about 150 feet, that's something that can potentially make it to the ground and say, you know, impact an area the size of a city or something. And so we want to be able to move those and change the direction so they get nudged away from hitting our Earth. And that's what this test is all about.
And Tom, so you're sending a small spacecraft. We're talking about millions of miles away, correct? How long is that going to take?
So it's going to travel 7 million miles to get there. It's going to be moving 15,000 miles an hour. And I want you to picture this, right? Imagine you're driving down a road and you're in a car going that fast, and then you pull straight into a parking spot without slowing down. That's what this thing is going to do. It's going to take about 11 months to get there. And on October 1st next year, that's when it's going to impact.
All right, real quick, because they told me that was the last question, but I got to ask you this. I saw a meteorite the other day coming back from Odessa. How big would an asteroid have to be that we would launch this?
Probably about 150 feet across or larger. And we're looking for those all the time. NASA runs this planetary defense coordination office with the other agencies, and we're always on the lookout.
All right, Tom Wagner, thanks for joining us this morning. That's interesting.
Yeah, very much so. Great information, Tom. Thank you.